Welcome to Brain Teaser Tube. Which thing moves faster? Quiz challenge. Are you ready to play this challenge? But before moving to video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. There are 10 questions with 10 seconds. And also, comment your answers in the comments that which thing moves faster. So let's begin. Number 1. Which thing moves faster? A car or a horse? Number 2. Which thing moves faster? A snail or a caterpillar? Number 3. Which thing moves faster? Light or sound? Remember to answer the questions in comments. Number 4. Which thing moves faster? Train or a bullet train? Number 5. Which thing moves faster? A crocodile or a snake? Number 6. Which thing moves faster? A turtle or a rabbit? Number 7. Which thing moves faster? An aeroplane or a helicopter? Number 8. Which thing moves faster? Dog or cat? Number 9. Which thing moves faster? A hand glider or a hot air balloon? Number 10. Which thing moves faster? Cheetah or a leopard? Make sure to comment your answer in comment box. Choose your next quiz. Thanks for watching.